Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be looking at Gala and whether or not we could go up higher or lower. So Gala was in a downtrend since November 26th, and we did get a break on the 23rd. You can see we came up here, we've back tested it perfectly, and we had to move towards the upside. Now this move wasn't that big, right? Because usually these targets won't get hit just because Bitcoin is below the bull market support band, and when it's below that, alts don't really rally, right? So the expected target could be way less, right? So right now, if I were to trade alts, I would just be scalping for like 10% trades, right? Because for a coin to hit their like potential target is going to be hard just because of a Bitcoin right now, right? I mean, as soon as we can break through this wedge, we could definitely have a move towards the upside, and we could definitely see some of these alts absolutely fly. So if I can get the fib right over here, so just go from this swing low to this swing high, so this impulsive wave, and we get this golden fib zone, right? So the golden ratio fib zone is 0.5 to the 0.618, right? And we need to hold this, otherwise, and our next fib zone is all the way down here, right? Because this is where we had some confluence or some sideways action until we actually broke up. So I showed you guys a fib. This is a 0.5 and this is 618. Let's try it over here. So you can see when we broke out of this downtrend, we had a pump back up. We retested the 0.5 and it moved towards the upside. And we did get hit by resistance on the 0.382. Okay. You know, all these fib zones are potential sell targets, right? So if say you bought at the 0.618, you can sell at the 0.5. And if the 0.5 breaks, you can sell at the 0.382, right? So what are we doing right now? Okay. Gala is currently retesting the 0.618, right? We had a break, and we've kind of just been, showing tons of candles. They're just going sideways near 618. So this is telling me that the price wants to break up, right? The price wants to go up higher, right? And if we can get some structure on the 1 hourly candles, let me see, 2 hourly. I guess we could be in some sort of ascending wedge, right? So price action is bouncing up higher from these. Price action is bouncing from this trend line to go up higher. Now, if we do get a break, we could see something like this, right? Break, retest, and then potentially break up, and then have a pump again towards the 0.55 region. So right now, if I were to scalp this, I would definitely be scalping right now, because we could potentially see gains of, say you were to buy right now, right? We could see gains of 4%. So I mean, depending on how much money you're going in with, that could still be good. And RSI doesn't look bearish. Strictly 4 hourly. Yeah. So this is why we had a dump, possibly. We had bearish divergence, right? Price action, higher high, lower low, and then we dumped. So right now, in my opinion, the RSI is kind of reset, right? And we could just potentially make some new structure. So I'll do a quick recap, like I always do. So Gala, descending wedge. We had a break, retest, pumped, and then we ended up coming down to the 618, and we ended up closing below the 618. But we are having these really nice candles. Basically, the bulls don't want the price to drop down, right? So they're basically fighting between the bears and bulls, and looks like the bulls are still holding, right? And I'll give you guys 3 areas of support. So the first one is 0.372. So if we do end up breaking the 618 coming down lower, we could definitely hit a we could definitely bounce off of the 0.372 area. Next area, 0.618. We want to get above this area, which is at 0.46153, or 0.46286. If we can get above this, have a retest, we can definitely start to make our way towards the 0.55, which is a 382. And if we do end up breaking that, then our next target is the 236 region, which is over here. If that breaks, then we're going back to all-time highs, right? So, and then I'll show you guys the pattern on the lower time frame real quick that we're possibly in. So on the lower time frame, ascending wedge, which is bullish, so we could definitely have a small minor pump towards the upside, and this maybe could be the pump where we start to close candles above, right? So if we can get a daily close above in about 24 minutes, which I don't know if that'll happen, that'll be very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.